Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So AVAX is breaking out and seems to have started that fifth wave to the upside that we've talked about in the last videos. We highlighted that we can really only assume a top in place in this A wave once we see a break below $29. Yeah, that hasn't happened, and that until then one more high can be a reasonable expectation as per our labeling here of the wave count, even though it's a bit unreliable. I mentioned that as well, but for now it seems to be working. But yeah, one more high could be it, right? And what have we been tracking? We've been tracking here a 1-2 setup, then here 5 waves up in wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this could be a 4 and another 5 to the upside. I mean, can I rule out that it's going to do another 4, 5? This is just too messy down here. So the micro count is a bit unreliable. So far, I think it has guided as well. Yeah, along the way, I mean, we had here a nice setup that was actually triggered. So the price actually dipped into it. Here, the price didn't dip into the support area. But I mean, I could have added the 23.6 fib level here. But the bottom line is I wanted to share with you that it takes a break below $29 to suggest that an A wave top has been reached. Until that's the case, another high is a reasonable expectation. And if that one more high unfolds, because there is not much structural resistance left, it can easily reach the next fib level probably fairly quickly. That's at $54. So let's see if we get there. Of course, further extension is always possible, but I will give you along the way the relevant support levels. Okay, so at the moment, I would not lift support yet, but you can obviously use the start of that fifth wave as key support, which is the fourth wave low, $34.90. No, $33. No, 1 second. Yeah, it's probably around $34.40, that level. Yeah, as long as that is holding, the focus can be on higher in a still unfolding fifth wave. $54 is the next target. We've talked about that not only as retracement level, which is, let's go to the 4-hour chart, not only as retracement level, it's a golden ratio, it's highly relevant, but also I think we measured the Fibonacci extensions, and I think if I remember correctly, it did take us there. Let me just try that again. Yeah, the 100% extension roughly to $53, $54. Now again, I've mentioned it before, the micro count is highly unreliable. So don't be surprised if something breaks, but actually nothing broke along the way. So no support level broke, and the trend is still higher, and the market still climbs. So at some point now, we would actually like to see that, especially now that the C wave is also full, now that we have a 5-wave move up in wave C, we would like to see that signal that a top is in place, because the problem is always when markets are rising too quickly, they can get overheated very quickly. Yeah? But you know, that's just what crypto is, right? It's all sort of hype driven. That's why we always say, you know, we don't want to assume a top is in place until at least the first micro support level is broken. And I gave you a level for that. Just want to make sure that you all understand what the next upside target is. And I will update in the next few days anyway. And then once a deeper pullback starts, this is support down here. We will see if we get there. But first of all, we need to see if micro support is breaking. If yes, then we can aim for this support area here for wave B between $23.60 and $12.23. Just because the support area is on the chart doesn't mean the pullback has started, okay? So the pullback hasn't started, and in fact, we've been watching for another high against $29. Now, however, the wave count is full, but the fifth wave doesn't show any signs or signals of exhaustion. Literally, it has only just broken out. So I'm now watching if the $54 level can be reached next. And that would be the next level where we can watch for a reaction. That's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.